So hi guys, today we're gonna play Doomsday Brick Battle. So let's get into it. So today I'm playing with my friend Dul, and he lives in Germany.
Hello.
Dude, what team are you attacking? Oh no!
Red?
Dude, blue is destroyed.
I know. I destroyed you guys.
So guys, I'll give you some DIY tutorials. Leave the game and then join your friend. That's the best. Leave the game, join. Yeah. So Stefanos. Dude, Stefanos is online.
Oh, nice. But I don't care about them.
Oh, that's harsh. So next episode we're going to play Dinosaur Simulator, which is tomorrow. And then Dult will be in the video. He has his own YouTube channel. Am I right, Dult?
Yep.
So okay, our team is currently dead. Dult and I are in the same team because I just went out of the game. LOL. Hashtag.
Oh no, why? I was destroying it. Whoa.
Oh my god, who just killed me?
What?
I just died for no particular reason. Okay, this is way glitchy than I imagined. Yes. So if you guys keep begging me to play Fortnite, I won't play it. I hate Fortnite. So let's just get on. Yes, red is eliminated.
I made it. Oh. Bruh. Yes, dude. Yes.
Oh my god, we killed each other.
Okay. I destroyed it. Yup.
Oh my god, I almost tried to kill our teammate. Wow. So this is what you do. Get over here. Destroy this. Yeah, check that out. Oh my god, who just killed me? So it's a battle between blue and green. Our team is like in really good condition. So I'm gonna have a sword fight with this guy. So let's go. Okay, he jumped to here.
Oh, no! What the heck? I'm a black person.
That's what you do. Don't. So now you fall. Oh my god, I just fell too far. Don't worry, this guy won't notice. So dude, destroy from the bottom. Yes, I destroyed it.
Oh my god, look at this dude. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, never
So
mind.
now our team just won, I think. No, they have one spawner. So let's go up.
I will
So
Whoops.
let's go up and go kill the rest. Oh my god, I fell. Oh man, wish I could do it. 360, let's go.
I'm not good for that. You're bad. You're just.
Oh my god, that was so close to killing someone. How are we gonna kill him?
We win. We won.
We won?
We won. Yeah.
Okay. So that's my 4th victory in a row, but not in the same server, because usually I just change servers when my team is bad. So I mean, yeah, who cares? So Dude is in red. So Dude, do you wanna like go up and gang up on the other teams?
Okay. Your teammate is killing, so I can destroy green.
Okay, so now you gotta put the bomb here. Yeah, and then you gotta put the bomb. Kill that guy, and then kill this guy, and then put the bomb. Yep, good job. And then put another bomb. Then you put another bomb. It's good for your health. No. And then you destroy this spawner.
Oh my
destroy
god.
all the spawners. Oh my god. Right.
Bacon here just killed me.
Okay, now you go destroy the top. And then you put a bomb over here. You just go later, okay? So now you need to destroy that. Add a bomb. Yep. Add a bomb.
We made it, yes. Yes, boy.
Oh my god. I'm a beast. Beast in the life. Oh my god. So I just killed a lot of people over there. So we'll end the video over here. So sorry guys, I had to end the video so early. So bye guys. See you later.